Why earthquake comes? An earthquake is a natural phenomenon that occurs when two blocks of the Earth's crust suddenly slip past each other along a fault line. The Earth's crust is made up of tectonic plates that are constantly moving, and when these plates rub against each other, they can become stuck. As the plates continue to move, pressure builds up along the fault line. Eventually, the pressure becomes too great, and the blocks of crust suddenly slip, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves that cause the ground to shake. This shaking is what we feel as an earthquake. Earthquakes can also be triggered by other factors, such as volcanic activity, landslides, and human activity such as drilling or mining. However, the most common and powerful earthquakes are those caused by the movement of tectonic plates.